Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So if you are looking to shake things up this winter season with a brand new haircut, this video is for you. From choppy pixie styles to the inverted bob, the pixie haircut, and the mullet, there are so many ways one can wear your hair this season. Even just by adding in some bangs, you can instantly elevate your boring old hairstyle into a brand new look. We hope that today's video inspires you to make a major hair change, and if it does, please feel free to give this one a big thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And without further ado, here are some of the best hairstyles that you can wear this winter season.